Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course just take your time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand the strategies shared there, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out, and everything we will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. Okay, and of course I'm using the 3M trend milk trading indicator. Starting from the support zone, it started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing the yellow flag and the blue arrow, which is representing a buy order. And of course it got to this region, played around there for a while before breaking out above it to get a new resistance zone. Okay, it was unable to go above that resistance zone, so it started a downtrend right from there. And of course it kept on selling, and it is still selling at the moment, even though it will need to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It was an uptrend before, but it came to an end at this resistance zone, so it started a downtrend right from there. You can see the red flag, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it sold till it got to this support zone, and right now it is at the support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend, and of course it is buying at this moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. It started an uptrend right from there, came to an end at this resistance zone, and right now it is selling at the moment. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity tonight than a buying opportunity, except if it goes back and break out the resistance zone, that is when it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 actually started the downtrend right from here, and it got to this support zone. Finds it difficult to break out below it at first, but later on it went back up to break out from this support zone, and of course it got to this new support zone. So it started an uptrend right from there, and of course it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are the assets that we are able to come up with tonight, and of course everything I explained here in this video, just make sure you understand it very well and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.